Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Sarina Fitri Basri, nama major S7 from Today I would like to talk about introduction. Landfill is a landfill. Has been since 2005. It is located near Sungai and the largest landfill is about 34.5 hectares. Most of these waste come from houses such as plastic. These can be data from 2017, 2020 and 2034 to understand the current situation, but the data collection is not every year, so it's hard to see the full trend. So this report aims to understand how we use the waste from the landfill. According to the Sungai KAS4413 water collection method, a combined strategy utilizing observation techniques and secondary data is appropriate and useful for solid waste management research. This method obtains comprehensive data by combining the benefits of both approaches. Studies on solid waste management benefits from the observation method, since it makes it possible to watch how garbage trucks are weighed and how daily operations are conducted. At the sanitary landfill, garbage trucks are weighed using a conventional weight system. After that, observe how this data is entered into the system and keep close tabs on the disposal and weight flow procedures. This method is in line with standard procedure at sanitary landfills, where waste vehicles are weighed both upon arrival and after disposal, following a record keeping purpose using a weight-based system. Furthermore, the secondary data that was connected to the administrative data category. Among the sources of this data are the Environmental Department, the National Solid Waste Management Department, JPSPN, the Solid Waste Management and Public Corporation, Code Malaysia, and then the last one, scientific journals.
This section will look at how municipal solid waste or MSW is flowing into the Sungai Ikan Landfill in Terengganu over the years 2017, 2020 and 2024. Our analysis draws from field studies, industrial analysis and open operation records for the Sungai Ikan transport station. Let's begin with 2017. The study by Dani of waste per day. Ikan, estimated total MSW generation and chemical per year. Out of which, about 125 kilotons were recyclable, while 6.9 kilotons, just 6.1%, were actually recovered. paper is 8.1%. Most recyclable came from household by recycling maximum out by informal waste in bin and landfill scavengers. Former recycling system remained undeveloped and composting was limited.
In 2024, we examined operational data from the Sungai Ikan Transfer Station that 2,439 fish transported during about 197,035 tons of MSW. Of that, 139,631 tons were processed or transferred to other facilities, while 67,515 tons were directly landfilled. A notable event occurred between May and July 2024. A fire broke out at the transfer station. Importantly, this was an incineration process or waste-to-energy project. It was an uncontrolled fire, highlighting serious safety concern and yet an emergency preparedness. While the volume of landfill waste has decreased slightly, the underlying issue remains a lack of source separation and structured recycling efforts. The global recyclable material continues to be destroyed and urgently for more integrated and sustainable use implemented.
Few programs and Sungai Ikan Landfill have several key challenges that can be sustainable management. First, there is no practice for separation so recyclable plastic and paper end up in the landfill instead of being recovered. Formal recycling systems are underdeveloped, with most recycling done informally by waste management and composting is still very limited. The landfill receives a high and growing volume of waste, including more complex material, strength, capacity and complexity of operation. Infrastructure is vulnerable as shown by recent fire incidents and environmental risks remain due to landfill location and weight. Community participation and policy enforcement are weak and there is not enough funding for better facility or enforcement. Addressing the issue will require stronger policy, better infrastructure, more community investment and sustained investment to achieve sustainable waste management.
Today, the waste system was heavily landfill dependent with nearly 950,000 tons per annually. The waste was mostly plastic and organic materials. By 2020, waste generation increased significantly to 3,086 incident between May and July, which highlights serious safety and environmental risks. Also, the system still lack and proper source separation and they are not structured. Government LED recycling program. To move forward, we need an integrated waste management strategy and combined infrastructure, upgrade public awareness and strong regulatory enforcement to achieve the sustainable and resilient waste system.
In conclusion, the Sungai Ikan Landfill still faces major issues in infrastructure, operation, and recycling. Waste generation in Kuala Terengganu and Kuala is increasing, but landfill management has not improved.